Everybody, I am back to do a quick unboxing with you for the month of March for Ipsy. I already have it and I had it a few days ago, but it's been so busy and so much stuff going on that I haven't been able to sit down and have a nice lovely chat with all of you and catch up to see how is the month of March starting with you all. For me, it's been quite busy. I had my kids a little bit sick, so now I said, you know what, they're recovering and I am finally being able to sit down and take some time and let's open up the Ipsy together. So for the month of March, the theme is rewrite the rules. So this is it, and basically it says more power to you. Women are the force to reckon with. This is the Woman History Month, so that means empower yourself because we are definitely strong. We are definitely have to support each other and have to be there for one another, doing, being, encouraging ourselves, uplifting ourselves with positive words, advice, everything you could think of. But we have to always be there and not, try to pick on yourself, but try to uplift yourself with the best advice that you could give to one another, because that's what we're here for, right? So let's open up the Ipsy bag and I have it right here. So let's open it up and see what we got for the month of March. And ooh, it is so cute. I always love their designs and they're so cute. And let's, ooh, whoa, this is so unique how they always have different designs and styles for their Ipsy bag. So the first item I see here, let me shake. I like to shake stuff because I don't even know what. Oh, this is from Tea Time, and this is from it says apple matcha tea clearing toner, but this is by Rome, New York. So this is by Rome, New York. So this is really cool. Like, they have their skincare products is really interesting because their skincare products have amazing ingredients. Like, I think you could not imagine how good. I heard about they're good, so it's like, honestly, I can't wait to try this out. I'm gonna check it out. And the next item I have here is the Tasha. This is the dewy skin cream. So this is like a mini moisturizer. Oh, look how cute it is. So cute. I never really tried Tasha. I think I got one of their Tasha products in my Ipsy. I was saying, I think I did receive one of the Tarte products in my Ipsy or my Boxycharm, I'm not sure, but I think it was a cleanser. I'm not sure, but I will check. But honestly, I think I tried it and it's really good, so I honestly can't wait to try this out. So the next item right here is a setting spray. This is a coconut mango. This is from Beauty Creation, so it is lovely. I love to have setting spray because I always go through some so fast, because since I use a lot of makeup and all that, it's always good to have a setting spray. So this right here, this is a lip liner, and let's swatch it for you guys. Oh, it's like a nice brown lip liner, and this is from Elmen Beauty. Really nice. I have not tried from this brand, so it's new to me. And this right here is a mini quattro palette, eyeshadow palette. So this is Shades by Chain, and this is the Life of the Party. Let's see. It's always exciting to get a nice mini eyeshadow palette. So this is it. It is gorgeous, the shades, and I cannot wait to try it out. But it's always nice to get nice eyeshadow palettes, right? So the next unboxing, now that we finished with the Ipsy Glam Bag, now we're gonna go into the Boxycharm, because this month did not have the icon box, but this month it was just the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Boxycharm, which is right here. We have the box. So we have the pamphlet here, and it says rewrite the rules, because that's the theme. And basically this says, okay, they have Mega Drop, and that's like I think it says in April. Excuse, that was my dog. Honestly, I try to not have these extra noises, but sometimes you cannot control it. This one goes April goes through, yeah, April 15 to April 28. So I really do not understand all these mega drops, but honestly, that's good opportunities when you want to do shopping, right? So this is how it looks inside. This is the power picks, and then it says more power to you. And of course, this is like what I was saying here, the mega drop right here. Yeah, see. So it's nice to get a pamphlet because then you could see what you know, when you could do shopping and when they have the good sales and all that stuff. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So the next item here is the Duel of Gods. The next item, this is the first item. I'm getting distracted because the dog is passing around making noise. So the Duel of Gods, and this is like Heaven Grade hair serum. And this is how she looks, but it does have the dropper inside, but since I haven't not opened it yet, this is all I could show you for the moment. But it does have the dropper, so I'll show you. See, it comes with a dropper, so we will be using this as soon as possible because I do love hair serum and all that stuff for the hair. It's the best to have because you need to take care of your hair as well, right? And he keeps walking around. It's so funny. You tell them not to make noise, not to go around, and they do it. This is the Elements Pet Tide Eye Recovery Eye Cream. So I think, yeah, it's right here. Let's open it up, and this is how it looks. Really nice. I can't wait to. I love having eye cream because it's always coming in handy. Like, why not, right? We have to take care of those delicate areas of the face, right? So this here, these would be the two. Oh, so I did want to mention that the Ipsy glam bag, because I've been so distracted with everything going on. It comes with 5 deluxe samples, and the Ipsy by Boxycharm box comes with 5 full-size products. So this is 2 right here, and then this is a third product right here. So this is the Superfood Sugar Face Scrub. Ooh, look at that. I love having this. I want to check it out. Oh my god, look at that. And it smells amazing. I am always there for like when it has a nice scent. Oh, look at, and oh, it has a nice color, but lovely. Now I'm stuck with the stickiness on my hand. This is so funny. Okay, let's see if we can move on to the other. Oh yes, 2 more products. And this right here is the eyeshadow palette. This is the Wonder Beauty. So let's open her up. I've been hearing people get this nice eyeshadow palette, and I was like, I hope I get it. But since it's a PR, we don't really know what we're getting. So I am truly grateful that I'm getting this gifted, because this way I could show it to all of you guys here. And wow, she is stunning. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Honestly, I am amazed. I love how beautiful it looks. I can't wait to use it. That's why I'm just telling you, I cannot wait to use it. So the last item right here, this is a lip butter. So this is like I think it's like a lip gloss, and this is from TYS. Let's open her up. Ooh, look at that. Look at that beauty here. It does have like a vanilla smell. So honestly, I am amazed. I really love what I received for March, and I cannot complain. I just love everything. And I was excited to open it up with all of you here, and I can't wait to see what we get for next month. But also in the meantime, let me know if you see anything that you like for this variation that I received, or if you received, or if you even tried any of these items before. Just let me know your comments, thoughts here below, and we will be in contact soon. Hopefully I could bring you more videos. I wish, but I'm gonna try to squeeze in more time from my schedule. So take care, and remember to love yourself, because you are important.